Heading into 2026, success isn't just about reacting fast. It's about seeing what's on the horizon and acting with clarity. That's why PriceLabs now brings forecasting right inside Report Builder, giving you forward looking occupancy and revenue projections for your entire portfolio. It combines your historical performance, such as last year's occupancy and pacing, with market forecasts to generate data you can trust. No need to track trends manually or piece together spreadsheets. You can now anticipate how your rooms will perform weeks or months ahead and plan your strategy with confidence. The answers are already in your forecast. And once you've got your data, the next step is understanding it fast. That's where AI Insights in Report Builder comes in. You can now chat directly with your report data. Just open your report and ask, which units saw the biggest increase in RevPAR this month? Summarize occupancy trends by room type. No need for multiple spreadsheets or repetitive manual filtering. The AI reads your report and gives instant, contextual answers you can act on. So instead of spending hours hunting for insights, you get them in seconds and spend your time where it matters, making decisions. And to see how your strategy aligns with the market, head to the Hotel Data tab. Here, you can benchmark against hundreds of nearby hotel like properties, spot demand peaks, and track competitor rate changes every 24 hours, all powered by publicly available market data from Booking.com. With PriceLabs, preparing for 2026 isn't guesswork, it's precision, because when your data speaks clearly, you can lead with confidence.